Hello and welcome to the first episode of The Breakfast Buzz, the only news show that serves up delicious food and positive news. My name is Haley and I'm excited to get you ready for your day. Let's make some easy crepes. To start off on our crepes, you're going to add the flour, eggs, milk, water, melted butter, salt, and chives into your blender and blend until incorporated. Then you're going to add some butter into a nonstick pan and add a little bit of your crepe batter into it. Then you swirl the pan around to make sure that the crepe is nice and even and thin all around the pan. Then you just set it on the burner and it'll cook in just a couple of minutes. Are you getting hungry and wondering if the chocolate in the bottom of your bag is still good? Well, it's probably better than this 120-year-old chocolate box. BBC reports that a tin of 120-year-old Cadbury chocolate bars was found with the belongings of a famous Australian poet named Banjo Paterson. The theory behind the origins of the chocolate goes back to the Boer War at the end of the 1800s. It is said that Queen Victoria wanted to send chocolate to her troops to boost morale during the war. Eventually, Cadbury agreed and donated numerous tins of chocolate to the effort. As a war correspondent at this time, Banjo Paterson is believed to get his hands on one of those tins and stash it away for future use. Unfortunately, we'll never know if Cadbury's recipe stood the test of time, as the chocolate tin will be displayed at the National Library of Australia. Let's check on our crepes. Would you like to see how the Romans bathed? Reuters reports that ruins of Roman bathtubs have been found under Jordan's capital city of Amman. The discovery was made during excavation work meant to create a drainage system to divert city flooding. Should the ancient ruins of Roman history be preserved or converted for the rapidly growing population of Amman? Government officials will need to decide soon before winter flooding in Jordan raises the water level of the capital city. For our breakfast crepes, we're making a savory filling with ham and herbed goat cheese. It's too bad I'm not cooking up Ratatouille right now, but you can see the star-studded Broadway cast sing all about it in Ratatouille, the TikTok musical, this Friday night. The musical, based on the 2007 Pixar film, began as a joke on TikTok earlier this year. According to Rolling Stones, Wayne Brady, Andre DeShields, Adam Lambert, and Titus Burgess are just a few of the acclaimed actors who signed on for this one-night-only benefit concert on Friday. You can support the Actors Fund and Gen Z's quarantine-induced ingenuity by tuning into Ratatouille the TikTok musical on Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern. Tickets are available on todaytix.com. Let's finish off these crepes with a little bit of bechamel sauce. And there are your beautiful savory crepes. Thanks for starting your day with me on The Breakfast Buzz.